Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily install the Smarthome application for your TP-Link Tapo C310. So first, open the App Store or Google Play and now go to search and search for Tapo. Here find TP-Link Tapo from Smarthome and simply click on install. Now wait for it to download. Now after the app has been downloaded, simply click open. Now click on allow. And here, click those two checkboxes and click continue. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the TP-Link Tapo Smarthome application. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.